Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable silent messaging in Line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply enable silent messaging. At the top right, you will see the settings button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, something like this will open up. As you guys can see, there are lots of options. Right now, what you guys need to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom till you see something called as Line Labs. Click on it, and right here from this section, it's gonna provide you three options like chat folders, video, highlight wizard, and finally the thing we are looking for, silent messaging. Simply toggle on this button right here, and that is it guys. That's how we enable silent messaging in Line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.